In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to quickly add a task in Microsoft To Do on your phone. Let's get started by opening the Microsoft To Do app on your device. You'll recognize it by the simple checkmark icon. Once it's open, you'll land on your home screen, which shows your lists. Think of lists as folders or categories that help you organize different parts of your life, like work, errands, or personal projects. Next, tap the list where you want to add a task. Choosing the right list at the start keeps everything tidy and makes the task easier to find later. If you're not sure which list to use, pick the one that best matches the purpose of the task. You can always reorganize tasks later as your plans evolve, but selecting a clear home for it now is a good habit. At the bottom of the screen, tap Add a Task. This is your quick entry point and is usually fixed at the bottom so it's easy to reach with your thumb. When you tap it, your keyboard will appear and the app will focus the cursor where you can type. Type the task name. Aim for a short, specific, and action-oriented phrase like submit report, call the dentist, or buy printer ink. Clear names make it easier to scan your list at a glance and know exactly what to do. If you like, you can include small details in the name, but avoid making it so long that it's hard to read later. You can always add more context in the task's notes after it's created if you need to, but for this walkthrough, we're keeping it simple. When you're happy with the task name, tap Done at the top right to save. This confirms the new task and places it in the list you selected. You should immediately see the task appear, ready to be checked off when you complete it. If you spot a typo or want to refine the wording, don't worry, you can edit tasks later without starting over. And that's it. You opened the Microsoft To Do app, tapped the list you want, tapped Add a Task at the bottom, typed a clear task name, and tapped Done in the top right to save. Following this quick flow makes it effortless to capture ideas the moment they come to mind, so nothing slips through the cracks. Thanks for watching, and happy tasking in Microsoft To Do.